We actually did a Shaq video a little while ago, and it was $16 million. And somebody here in Hollywood, Florida, an amazing agent down here, said, hey, you want to see what $16 million gets you in Miami? What's up, MTV? This is Shaquille O'Neal, and this is my crib. Absolutely, I would. So listen, we're going to show you today a 13,000 square foot house on over an acre. It's got 450 feet of waterfront. It's this Italian-inspired modern design that I think you're going to love. So let's take a look inside. Hey, how are you?
Hi, Ken. How are you?
So good to see you.
My pleasure. Thank you for coming.
Of course. So tell us a little bit about your listing.
Well, you're one of our unique mansion in Hollywood, Florida. We have basically 13,500 square foot interior space built on a over 50,000 square foot lot.
Wow.
Specs on the home, it's 9 bedrooms, 13 full beds, everything you ask for.
Oh my gosh.
In one mansion.
I love it. We're going to take a quick look around, so thank you so much for having us.
My pleasure. Be my guest.
All right, awesome. All right, so as we walk over this way, you've got 28 feet in here. Look at all of this sort of light pieces around here, but this is really what you're buying right here is your view out of all of the windows all the way around. 450 feet of waterfront. You've got all these amazing boats. You're just 10 minutes from the ocean. But before we take you out there, let's spin around the house. Let's go over to the kitchen. So up front, they've got the formal dining and the massive great room. But back here is really the heart of the house, right? You've got the kitchen, the marble floors throughout. This house actually went under a $6 million renovation last year. It's built completely from the ground up, including the kitchen and the floors throughout. So I love this kitchen. Obviously, you've got 6 people that can fit here, the waterfall edge over there. But I love the space in general because obviously you've got the water view all around. This is what it's all about. But it's definitely a cozy space for as big of the house it is. And we got here earlier this morning. There was a ton of natural light that's just pouring in a lot of these windows. Just an amazing space. For this large of a house to feel kind of like home, it's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. All right, so on the other side of the house from the kitchen, you have tucked away, you've got your office space with the dual fireplace, again, high ceilings throughout, access to the covered lanai over there. But then back here, this is a master suite. You've got the tray ceilings up top, the Crestron system throughout, the automatic shades that kind of roll down or welcome you to this view in the morning. Again, you got the fireplace in here, just an amazing master suite. The part I love about this part of the master suite is it's really set up like a home spa. You have everything that you need here. This is kind of like the main bathroom with the dual sinks and the main shower. Then you've got 2 walk-in closets here. And this is the massage room, right? After a long workout, you're gonna have kind of like your masseuse come in here, overlooking the water while you get work done there. And then back here is kind of like, is this the party shower? I think this is what it is. You got 5 heads here, body jets, rainfall shower, and the jacuzzi with privacy really all around you because you've got all of these trees and hedges. All right, so before we take you upstairs, I think I gotta take you outside and show you really what this house is all about because this outdoor living space is remarkable. So just think about the parties and the entertaining that you can do out here with probably 70 or 100 of your friends. You've got all of this covered space, and the thing I love about this lot in general, like I mentioned, it's over an acre, but it's a corner lot. So where you're sitting down the street, you've got no neighbors on your one side, and you've got sort of this panoramic view, and this is what you're buying right here, is this amazing lot. The house is insane, but this lot is amazing. All right, so let's talk about the outdoor amenities of this house because there's a lot. You've got the pull-up jet skis over here. You've got a detached guest house, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with the covered porte-cochere. If you look right back through there, full tennis court. They really utilized all of the space in this lot. As you step back, the pool seamlessly looks like it overflows right into the water. Just amazing. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. There's still so much to see in this house. Let's check out the second floor. Let's stay over on this side. All right, so one of the ancillary bedrooms up here, this is an amazing suite. If you invited me over here to stay with you, I'm not sure that I would leave. You've got this amazing open space. There's like the living space, bedroom, huge walk-in closet, well-appointed bathroom, and then all of these terraces in this house. Everywhere you go, there's these raised terraces that really give you an amazing view of the entire lot, so you really feel like you're kind of connected anywhere you're at in the house. Speaking of elevated terrace, check this out. This is probably my favorite, obviously because the view is amazing. Just think about how many people you can entertain in this house. Downstairs, you can easily fit 50 to 75. Have some other people up here. Everybody enjoy the outdoor space. And I think they position the house perfectly to really take advantage of everything that's out here. So this is like the entertaining room upstairs. I heard that this is structural. I'm not really sure. We'll just keep moving on. All right, so on this side of the house, you've got the full theater with access to outside as well. And then lastly, here's our gym. Check this out. One of the things I love about this house is that you do have access kind of throughout with these cool spiral staircases, some of them with the stainless steel features, other ones just sort of hidden circular staircase. Fun little features throughout the house. All right, so 13,000 square feet, 13 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, amazing views, but then you have to decide, Orlando versus Miami. You got 30,000 square feet at Shaq's house with amazing views of Lake Butler, or 450 feet with access to the ocean. I don't know, it's your decision. Make sure you comment down below. If you're looking to buy or sell a house anywhere in Central Florida, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. So make sure you email me, info@pozekgroup.com. Then make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're putting out content every single week about living here in Florida. We'll see you guys on the next video.